for everybody to understand. Fine. So I am sharing my screen now. Once it has come, please tell me that the screen has come. Has the screen come now?
Yes, it has come.
Now we are able to see the screen, sir.
Okay. Now, where we were yesterday, we saw once when I change the any customer, my graph is also changing, everything is happening, right? This is where we saw, but then we got into a small issue when I am trying to do some customer, like this customer, Fissa Fabrica Inter SA. I don't know them. The system says, I don't understand. Runtime error, 1004, application defined or object defined error, blah, blah, blah. It says so many things which we don't understand.
There are no orders for this, he said.
So what we found was, oh God, there is no order for this. Okay, let us find out whether that is the mistake. So we go to some other customer, it works. Okay, let me go to another customer who will not have an order. Paris specialite, same problem. That means whenever I do not have an order, the system does not know what to do, and then it goes and gives some other graph which is irrelevant, and it makes so many mistakes. So today, the first of the thing is, how do I catch this error and what do I do with this error? Both are important. First, I have to catch this error. Once I catch this error, what I am supposed to do? Both we will see in the first session. Then somebody can work, then we will proceed for the next one. Right, sir? Can we proceed?
Yeah.
Shall
Yes.
we?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we go to let us get back to the VB script page where this is the procedure, update customer info procedure. In this, what happens when I am applying the filter, when there is no order, the system behaves in a funny way and it throws out an error and then it stops. It says whether you want me to debug, whether you want me to end, what do I do? It is asking. Now your top bosses or the person, your client will also not know what to do. Now, our main job is to now catch hold at that point and then try to address it. We will do that. So what happens when we do this? We will go to refresh table, end with. Now we will make some spaces here and go on write P done. P done means what? Procedure done. Procedure done. Then if procedure is done, what do I do? Exit to sub. Exit subroutine. If my procedure is done, you please exit the subroutine. When I go to subroutine exit, where I will go? I will go to this end sub. I will come here. Is that clear? I will come to this place. So when I say exit sub, it will come here. That is what it will do. So if I run, it will again work properly. P done, it has done. Now, there is an error. What is that error? I don't have a data for a customer. So I will say no customer data. Sir, please remember, now I am giving a name, a particular place where I am supposed to jump from somewhere. When I don't have a customer data, no customer data, and I am not given any spaces, please remember. So, no customer data. Then what I am supposed to do? What Mr. Nandan Madanagopal asked me, I will put a message box saying this, whatever you want to write. This customer has no data. Orders, okay, fine. That is the correct way of orders. Please, for the time being, sir, we will again change this later on. Please ignore the chart. Select another customer. This is what I am going to instruct the system. Is that clear now?
Yes.
P done, exit sub. I'll come out. But if there is no customer data, then in the message box, I will write this customer has no orders. So please ignore the chart because the chart is not going to change, unfortunately. At this point, today, the chart is not going to change. Tomorrow it will again change. So please select another customer. But when do I come to this no customer data? When there is going to be an error. When there is going to be an error only, I will have to come to this point to know. For all customers where I have got data, I need not come to this. So what do? I go up first. Immediately on top, I will go. I am coming at this point. I am instructing the system on error. What I am telling the system? On error. Where I will go now?
No customer.
Go to no
Customer data.
customer data. It's a simple English, sir. Initially, I did everything. When everything is over, P done, everything is good. I come, I am checking whether there is any error. There is no error. So it goes and does everything. Changes the pivot table, puts all those things, then comes here, changes the filters, put the new customer, refresh the table, changes the chart, everything. P done, I have done everything. So please exit. It comes out of the sub. But if there is an error, then I am telling at the beginning itself, if there is an error, go to no customer data. So what will happen? The moment when there is an error, it will straight away jump to this place now. Straight. So what it will do? It will definitely not worry about whatever you have written here. These are all, it is not needed for it. Simply it will not need it. He will straight away come to this and execute whatever is available here. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will go. This is what we have written, and this is within this procedure. So when I go to customer dashboard, when I do this customer update customer info, it will come. If there is an error, let us see what happens now. We will go and select any one customer. This customer.
Same FISA you can select.
Oh, sorry. 1 second, sir. Pardon me. There is a
Same FISA customer only we can select.
same,
There is
sir.
no-
1 minute. Sir, 1 second. There is one mistake. Public update customer info तो सही है. End sub. जितनी बार लिखेगा सर, you will get into problem. A small mistake has come. So let us see what it is. Select. On error. Public में what is a mistake now? No customer data. So everywhere, let's find out what is the English. Maybe made a mistake. Okay, fine, changes. Queen Casino. Thing is changing. What? There is a mistake.
Graph is not changing.
No, nothing is changing. Not only graph.
Oh.
It's not graph. There is something wrong here. Update customer. Update customer info. Report. Because no, suddenly till yesterday it was working. So let's see. Public sub update customer info. Okay. So now what we have done in this, we went and wrote, if the procedure is done, then you please exit. And if everything goes well, you exit. But if there is an error, then this is the one. On error, you simply jump to this place, no customer data. That is what we did. And then we are told once it jumps, it doesn't do any of these things. It simply ignores everything. This is what we have done. So we can say whatever we want to say now, because I was only testing. This customer has no orders. Choose another customer. That is what now we will tell. Now we go back. We select any customer, somebody. Now the graph changes, the data changes, everything changes. We go to FISSA. Now it says this customer has no orders, choose another customer. So we got hold of the mistake.
Yeah, very good.
And we are now telling the user, please see this customer has got no orders, choose another customer. But still there is one small issue. There is a graph which still comes. If you see, this graph is still coming, which is irrelevant. Yes or no? This graph is irrelevant. This graph is not supposed to come at all.
Correct.
It is coming. So this graph should not come. And later on, you, with your if statement and all, you can correct yourself. I have not told you. So you remember, sir, we had a formula. If in VLOOKUP we did that. If that VLOOKUP output is something, you put it as NA. You remember? NA we have put here. This was the formula where we put NA and all. You must be remembering. Go through my older videos, you will come to know. So we can also write, instead of the formula, there is a formula here, subtotal. So if this subtotal is less than 0 or something, then you write NA. You can write that. In all the places, you can also put a if. That you yourself can try. I'm not getting into. I'm only worried that there is a problem that though this graph should not come because it is totally misleading. When I go to this, everything changes. But when I come to FISSA, then everything goes wrong. So this I will have to take care and address it. That will be our next portion will be that. So what I suggest is I will stop the recording here and then I will request any one of you to do up to this point. Then we will again proceed. Okay, sir. I am stopping the recording at this point.